Hi, my name is Colby from StarlinkHardware.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to contact Starlink customer support. In this tutorial I'm going to be using the Starlink app to create the support ticket, but you can also use the website either on mobile device or desktop. So go ahead and open up the Starlink app, and you'll need to be sure that you're signed in to be able to create a support ticket. So click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to tell whether you're signed in or not. If you're not, go ahead and sign in to your Starlink account. If you are signed in, you can go ahead and hit the back button in the upper left. To contact support, scroll down to the bottom of the app and click on the support menu item. You'll notice that you're taken to a screen with a bunch of common support topics. You can browse through these to try to find the answer to your issue, or you can just go to the very bottom and click on the button that says Contact Starlink Support. So on this screen, you'll be prompted to select the kind of issue that you're having. In this example, I'm just going to go through and pretend like I have an order issue. So I'm going to click Orders, and then I'm going to tap on None of the Above. If you have multiple Starlink accounts like I do, you'll have to select which account the issue is applicable to. And then you continue going through the prompts, selecting the details about your issue. And finally, you have a chance to enter in your message to Starlink support. You can type in as many details as you like here. You can also use the attachment tool to attach screenshots or other documents that are related to your issue. Provide as much information as you can on this screen to help out Starlink support. Once you've entered in all the details that you want to send to Starlink, hit the send button. That will create your support ticket. You'll receive an email confirmation, and if you ever need to check back on that ticket to see if Starlink has replied, or even to add more details, you can go back to the support section in the app and click on the message icon, the mail icon, in the upper right corner of the screen. That will show you all your previous support tickets and open support tickets, and this will allow you to review previous tickets or to add replies or check on current tickets. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. You can let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments below.